In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make schedules in secret using Calendly. This feature is particularly handy when you want to organize exclusive meetings with specific clients or for internal team appointments that you'd rather not display on your public Calendly page. By setting up a secret event, you not only maintain privacy, but also ensure that only those with the unique link you provide can access the meeting schedule. Let's dive into the steps. To begin this process, make sure you already have a schedule set up in Calendly. If you haven't, you'll need to create one first. This is important because the secret meeting will be based on that existing schedule. Once your schedule is prepared, proceed to navigate to it within your Calendly dashboard. Now, you'll need to pay attention to the right side of your screen, where you will spot an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is more commonly known as the More Options button. Clicking on this will reveal a menu with several choices. In this menu, there will be an option labeled Make Secret. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is convert your current schedule into a private event, effectively hiding it from your public page. This action ensures that your schedule becomes invisible to outside viewers who do not have the specific link, offering you a layer of security. Once you've clicked Make Secret, your schedule is off the public grid. But don't worry, it still exists, just in a more private capacity. From here on, sharing the schedule becomes a matter of sharing the unique link associated with the secret event. You'll want to carefully select your intended invitees and distribute this link accordingly. When recipients click on this link, they will have direct access to the meeting schedule, bypassing the public view entirely. And there you have it. Your secret schedule is all set up and shared exclusively with those you choose. It really is that simple to maintain privacy over certain events using Calendly's secret scheduling feature. This allows you greater control over who can join your meetings, providing a practical solution to managing exclusive appointments. I hope this guide was clear and straightforward, and that you now feel confident in managing private events on Calendly. This feature is a great tool for protecting sensitive information and ensuring your meetings remain confidential. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.